See you later. Hey, you boys working or fucking what are you doing?
We speak in Shetland, yeah.
What language?
En Afrikaans, you come to us.
Yeah, nice, Chris. Nice. Just come out to see his baby leave. You should stand sideways so we see more of your figure. I mean, film it while we talk.
I know you filmed me. When you stop filming.
Thanks for coming, brother. We'll see you down there. Classic guys here. Everyone's fucking coming in. The full-size whacker's leaving, 100%. This is the sketchy bit. You can see there's a couple of marks in the driveway already from previous adventures. Let's get him out the gate. Raise your fist in the air. 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 Where to am I from? Go, baby, go. Look at that. Elevators. He's away.
Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air.
Okay.
Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air.
See you later, darling.